So I wanted to show you the shade, this lens shade for the remote. The remote shade. So it fits on really well. I mean really well. It's just designed perfectly to cover your controllers, and it fits this particular remote perfectly, and it's on permanently. I mean, of course you can unscrew it, screws on the bottom, but the color matches, everything matches, but it's just so easy for a lens shade. I wanted a lens shade, and I thought I was going to have some type of cover with Velcro and something that'd be awkward and might fall off during a flight, but this is so perfect, and wherever the sun is you can adjust the shade like this, and you can go about your flight. Let's go ahead and let's take off a little bit here.
Take off.
We won't go far.
Home point updated.
I'll just take it straight up. But yeah, it blocks the sun, and this is good if you're in direct sunlight, and you can close it way down. Make sure you're blocking the sun, but be sure to pick up one of these. This is a must-have item if you're gonna fly this drone with this particular remote, and I highly recommend a remote that has a built-in tablet. This has been such a game changer for me. I'll put a link in the description where you may pick up this lens shade for your remote, lens cover.